You heard? Messi just scored twice from free kicks. How is this even possible? The goalkeeper could only stare helplessly at Messi, wondering, what kind of monster did I just face? From the very start, the opponents tried stopping Messi's attack with fouls. Messi stepped up to the ball, while Lopez stood on the left side of the goal, confidently trusting his high human wall to guard the right. Messi took his run-up and sent the ball flying toward the top right corner. The curve on the ball was so dramatic and eerie that even at 6 feet 3 inches, Lopez's desperate dive couldn't stop it. In the 65th minute, Barcelona earned another free kick, this time from even further out. Lopez was even more careful setting up his wall. Pelé once said Messi only had a left foot, but with just that one leg, Messi earned everyone's respect. His shot was like a guided missile, and Lopez's legs buckled as Messi shattered his goal once again. Diego Lopez was yet again reduced to the backdrop of Messi's brilliance. This is Messi at his absolute peak, a man who treats free kicks like penalty shots. And yet, Messi only ranked 5th in that year's Ballon d'Or. How strong could those other 4 players possibly be?